All right, okay. So what we're doing is error bars on Excel. So here's the document that I'm going to work through here. All right. So this is on the website too. Error bars on Excel. Um, the other video, I'll walk through the error bars at the end of the other video, but I'll fluff around a bit. So hopefully this one's going to be a little bit more straightforward. All right. So there's this walkthrough here, all right? It gives you some screenshots and things, all right? So it's on the website. You can download that from there. All right, so what I've got is this data. So we've got a length and a force, and we've drawn a graph, and here's our graph. Let's get rid of me, make me a bit smaller, out of the way. So I'm actually going to have to use that. So where am I going? Let's go up here. Don't think I'll need anything up there. All right, so here we've got our graph, and we've got some uncertainties, and on here on the sheet tells us what the uncertainties are. All right, so the length 0.05 meters and the force also 0.05 Newton. All right, which is handy. That not necessarily be the same for each. They could be different, and that's easy enough. All right, so here we go. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to left click. I've put right click in the thing. Left click on. Oh, can you right click? Let's have a look. Well, you can add right click and you get that. So left click is what it should be, because we don't want that. Left click on there, and you'll notice here this chart tools comes up the top. So if you click on chart tools, this design comes up, and bit we're interested in is adding chart elements. All right, so there's other ways of getting to the error bars, but I won't go into that. Chart elements, error bars, more error bar options. All right, and so I go more error bar options, and you see this dialog box comes here. So this is the vertical error bar. So up and down. So it's this one. See, they got little dots on them. We want both ends, up and down. And for ours, we've got a fixed value, remember? So the vertical ones are vertical. On the vertical graph is the force, and the force 1.05. So we go here, we go fixed value, change that 0.05, and then that's okay. So then that's probably changed it now. All right. Now you'll see we've got these horizontal ones, so we need to change them. So to do that, what we could do is we go here to this arrow next to error bar options, and here's a whole bunch. And so we've just done the Y ones, the vertical ones. We need to do the horizontal ones now. And you see that's changed to horizontal. Again, we want both. Fixed value is what we're after. Whoops, wrong thing. And the fixed value, the horizontal is the length, and that's 0.05 again. So we go here, 0.05, press enter, and there we go. So close that, I'll click out there to get rid of all those dots, and now you can see we've got our horizontal and our vertical error bars, and as you can see there, our line of best fit pretty much goes through just pretty much all of those error bars. All right, so there you go. There's how you put your error bars on your graph using Excel. So have fun with that.